To install your Intu blind, all you will require is a special bracket insert tool supplied with your order and a pair of scissors. When measuring for your blind, take a measurement across the clear glass at the top of your window. Measure again in the middle of the window. Now measure once more at the bottom of the window. Of these three measurements, take the smallest one as the window size. To measure the drop, measure from top to bottom at both sides of the window. Of these two measurements, take the smallest one as the window size. To measure the bead depth, place a ruler across the window. Measure from the window out and note where the tape measure meets the ruler. To choose the correct side profile for your window, remove the side profile samples from your profile pack. Place each profile on the glass and slide it against the side of the frame. When you have chosen the profile which best suits the frame, match it against the diagrams in the profile pack to get the profile type, either A, B, C or D. To install your blind, place one of the top brackets into the tool. Insert the bracket behind the rubber seal until the tool edge touches the bead at both the top and the side. Check the bracket is squared securely and repeat for the other side. Similarly, place one of the bottom brackets into the tool. Insert the bracket behind the rubber seal until the tool edge touches the bead at both bottom and side. Check the bracket is vertically secured and repeat for the other side. Place the side profile against the frame with the flat face towards the glass and the notch to the bottom. Slide the top edge into the slot in the bracket and slide the bottom slot of the profile over the bottom bracket and push into position. Repeat on the other side. If side profile clips are supplied, they should be fitted into the profile at around 500mm intervals. If your bead depth measurement is deep, add a packing piece as shown to the head rail to ensure best fit. The fascia end caps have a snap-off section to ensure best fit according to the bead depth of your window. Remove the transit packing pieces by rotating clockwise. Ensure the spring is positioned in the centre of the headrail as shown. With the rubber bands in place, align the headrail end cap slot with the bracket arms. Ensure the headrail is correctly aligned and firmly press home. Taking the cord at the bottom bracket, slide it onto the clip, then repeat for the other side. Snip off the rubber bands and carefully lower the blind to the bottom frame. To operate your blind, slide the top clip from left to right to open and close your blind. To raise and lower your blind, use the bottom rail to lift up and pull down as required.